So we're here today. We're gonna try to predict the lottery. I'm Austin, and Corey is here as well.
Hey y'all.
So we're gonna first talk about how the lottery works. So for Mega Millions, five numbers are drawn from a single pool, and this pool contains numbers 1 through 75. And then from a second pool called the Power Play, it's a distinct pool that ranges from 1 through 15.
So in our project, we created the hypothesis that the probability of winning the lottery cannot be improved. But we wanted to disprove that and say that the lottery can be improved using data analysis and different statistics.
So now we'll go to a little analysis.
So in MATLAB, we took the past 30 years of lottery numbers that were chosen, and we created a couple histograms. And the interesting thing about the lottery, when the numbers are drawn and chosen, they will rearrange the numbers from the smaller values in columns 1, 2, and 3, and then the larger values in columns 4, 5, and 6. The number 6 is the Powerball, and so it's arranged separately on its own. And if you look at the MATLAB that we found, if you look in row 1, which correlates to column 1, you can tell that the histogram shows that about 0 through 10 will be much more probability of being drawn than, say, out in the 50s and 60s. And then as you continue, you can see the bell curve. You get to row 3, you can tell that the 40s are going to have a higher chance of being drawn than like 1 through 10. And you can see this trend continue through rows 4 and 5. And as I was saying for row 6, since it's the Powerball, you can kind of tell that the distribution is almost even throughout.
So now we'll go to our Excel document where we created a bunch of different tables. So if we click the user form here, we'll insert all of our data so we can find our counts. Now we can find the mean for each column, see which one is the average of the numbers that come up. You can also find the standard deviation. And now the one thing that we want to know from this is we formulated this table over here. This is the most likely numbers to occur. So in column 1, we're most likely to get a 2, column 2 a 15, 3 a 24, 4 47, 5 53, and 6 a 1. This means that 2 occurred the most number of times in our data set, and then 15 as well occurred the most, and then the second most was 3, 4, 1, 6, and it continues on. So now we'll compare this to our formulation in MATLAB to see if we won the lottery. So we can check and see if we won the lottery. And our Mega Millions results say no, we did not win the lottery. Please play again. So we'll close out of this and go back to our PowerPoint to show our conclusion. So we can conclude from this that the probability of winning the lottery cannot be improved through our analysis. We took the most likely numbers to win, and we were not able to find a winning solution.